The Canadian Consumer Price Index clocked in at 7.6% on an annualized basis in July, cooling from the 8.1% reading a month earlier. So does this mean inflation has finally peaked in Canada? Not so fast. Stats Canada says inflation remains broad-based as core inflation hit a record 5.3% in July. So let's break down the details. Hey, I'm Stephanie Hughes, and this is the budget in 60 seconds. The deficit is big, $114 billion, but the government promised to bring it down to $8 billion in 5 years. Finance Minister Chrystia Freeland remains worried about economic growth, starting with housing. The government committed to a $10 billion strategy that involves boosting supply and putting a 2-year foreign homebuyer ban in place. The Bank of Canada delivered another supersized rate hike at 75 basis points, bringing the overnight rate up past its neutral range to 3.25%, the highest it's been since 2008. This marks another aggressive push by the central bank to bring inflation back to its 2% target. But with decades-high inflation expected to continue, the Governing Council says that more rate hikes are expected. What does this mean for Canada's slowing economic growth? Let's dig into the details. Hello everybody, and welcome to Collision. Welcome to the panel. I'm Stephanie Hughes, the FinTech and crypto reporter at Financial Post, and I am so stoked to be having this conversation about decentralized finance and its innovations and what it really brings to the open digital economy and how quickly it can get us there. The Bank of Canada staged its first interest rate hike since 2018, opening the door for further rate increases down the line. The question now is whether your mortgage is ready for it. Here's what you can expect from a rising rate environment and how you can get ahead of higher borrowing costs. It used to be that when oil prices went up, so did the Canadian dollar. Seems simple, right? Well, in recent years, and particularly during the pandemic, this hasn't always been the case. The loony's disconnect from oil prices meant that our currency has languished while energy prices surged. So what's happening to the loonie and why isn't it taking flight? Let's dig into the details.